On today's crafts, I'm doing 3 high-end fall home decor projects that won't break the bank, so stick around. My sister asked if I would help her make a fall wreath for her door. This wreath cost just under $25 to make. We picked up these lamb's ears from Walmart because you get more for your buck. We began by layering and twisting the stems together. That way we could see how it looks and make any adjustments before attaching them permanently. We used a total of 8 stems, 4 on each side. Once that was completed, we laid them on a grapevine wreath that we purchased from Hobby Lobby. Because the wreath is going on the front door, we wanted to give it extra security, so we tied floral wire around the stems in several places. We fluffed the ears a bit and added hot glue in a few spots. We did not want these bad boys going anywhere. I made a bow off camera out of ribbon that my sister picked out at Hobby Lobby and attached it with some hot glue and a pipe cleaner. She bought a pack of pumpkins with clips on the bottom from the Dollar Tree. She painted them with white Waverly chalk paint. The little dark spot peeked through and she loved that. We both thought it gave them a little character. We also picked up this wooden plaque from Walmart. I cut out the vinyl on my Cricut and transferred it to the plaque. I also removed the rope that was attached to it. We tacked down each corner with hot glue. The final touch was to add the pumpkins. We added a total of 6 and the clips made it so easy. If anyone is interested in watching my sister Leanne's makeup tutorials, check her out on Facebook and Instagram. I'll post links in the description box. She would much appreciate it. This next DIY is a dupe of a sign at Hobby Lobby. They had a 90% off sale on spring decor. This sign came in a set of 3. I got all 3 for about $7. The first thing I did was tape off the frame because I'm keeping it the way it is. I'm getting low on my Waverly white chalk paint, so I decided to give it 2 coats of the white apple barrel paint and then a final coat of the chalk paint. I cut all of my letters out in matte black on my Cricut. If you don't have a cutting machine, there are other options available. You can purchase letters at craft stores, and sometimes you can get some at the Dollar Tree. Another method is printing out a design and trace it on with carbon paper and then paint it. I must admit it was a little tricky to transfer it over to the sign because I've never transferred something of that scale before. When I peeled off the transfer sheet, the paint came off in a few places. It wasn't much, so I just went back and touched it up. I used kind of a yellowish gold vinyl for the arrow. I used the print then cut feature for the pumpkins because I wanted them to appear textured. Not all projects go smoothly, and this one sure had a few issues. This DIY dupe still only cost me about $7 to make, and I'm really happy with the way it turned out. This next DIY is just a simple floral arrangement with some things that I already had on hand. I got this basket right here from the Hobby Lobby. And I got this candle from Walmart. I got into my stash of different floral picks that I had. Took them apart. I had some pumpkins and some pine cones. I got these lights here off of Amazon. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to put them through here. No rhyme, no reason. Just kind of throughout. The good thing about these are they bend. You can just set them up in there however you want. I'll just take some of these and set them around here. I only have 2 of those, so I'm going to go one on each side. Then I have some pumpkins. And I'll just reach around here and figure out which way I want them. I have these little white flowers. I'm going to stick some on each side here. I have some pine cones that I'm just going to stick them throughout different places. Stick a leaf in each side. Well, two sides. I think I'll just do two sides. Then I have these little acorns. Just kind of stick them in a few places here and there. That's all there is to it. With the lights off, it gives that warm, cozy fall vibe. If you like this video, please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell so you will get notifications when I post new videos. Thanks for watching.